do this thing. Are y'all ready to have a little fun out there today? Let's shake this a little bit. You can do that. It's okay. Okay. Let's get ready and go.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shad Hilton. I'm at the 9th annual Cope Chili Cook-Off. This is the first year that we have done it.
I'm Galvin Santa from the Red Cross. We're here at the Cope 9th annual Chili Cook-Off. We've got a blood drive going on today. Anybody can donate blood.
Very good.
We'll be here till 4 o'clock.
Welcome to the Cope Chili Cook-Off. You are here to see our community coming together, supporting those who want to support the domestic violence effort in Laclede County. There are organizations from manufacturers, local business banks, retail and individual organizations, youth, and they're basically saying we support those who fight domestic violence in Laclede County. What a better effort than coming together, enjoying some great chili, having fun, dressing up in our favorite costumes and themes. You know, what a better way to celebrate the positive things in Laclede County and saying, hey, we support everyone that has to go through this domestic violence issue.
Hi, my name's Cadet Johnson. I'm with the Lebanon Civil Air Patrol, and we are here at the Chili Cook-Off.
Let's give him a big hand for Mr. Wayne.
White shoe peg corn, green chilies, and white chili seasoning. It's a recipe I've kind of invented myself and enjoy making for my family.
Good morning. This is Lebanon Robotics. We are here at the Cope Chili Cook-Off. Every year we have been invited. We like to help the community because the community helps our robotics team. We have been working with that.
All right, we're out here from Fort Leonard Wood, MPALC 501-2012. Come on out here, try some of our Colorado green chili.
And I'm from Mid-Missouri Bank, and this is our booth. We're the Heartburn Express here in Lebanon, Missouri at the Cope Chili Cook-Off. And here's our hobo, Kim, and one of our conductors or engine people, April. And we are serving up some of the best chili in
the third place winner for the best chili. Now, I did not decide this. We have official judges that made these decisions, so don't get mad at me. There's judges that decide all this, and it's got to be a hard decision because I tried some awesome, awesome chili. Third place winner, and we need you to report to the front whenever we call out your booth number. Booth number 42, Team Old School is third place. I told you that, that's some bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. You know, what's bad about bacon? I like this guy's name. He says, hugs are free, kisses are called. Great place right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's the best tasting chilies, bacon chili. The Horizon booth. Come on up there, you guys. Accept your reward. Give a round of applause. Who's number 25? Hey, I think I know those guys. This is Willie Wonka. Awesome chili, guys. Hey, here's the ones you've been waiting for. Let's give your class a little bit later. The number one trophy And the 9th annual Coke Chili Cook-Off Taste Award goes to booth number 17, Metal Tech. That's the Hobo Chili Crew. I've been waiting for like 3 years for this. Big hand for Mr. Wayne. You guys did awesome. That was awesome. Really, really cool. Got to agree.